JD Cap 26 here for just two tips from repairs, and we're doing modeling. And I'm going to put a glow finish on this, a clear glow finish. So we got the glow powder right here, and I'll open that up, double bag, and I'm going to put this much glow powder in this bottle, and a little bit more. Okay, we'll close this up, put it over there. We got some clear finish right here, some pledge. You want to pour it in the bottle, fill it up, and cap it off, and shake it up. Okay, and we get this like milky consistency. We're just gonna spread it over the model like this. Dip into it deep. Get it really wet in the model. The powder is on the bottom, so you have to really scoop it to get it out. Get it nice and wet. It's alright if it's dripping a little bit all over the place. Okay, and then we're gonna dry it with the blow dryer. Like that. So we charge it up with the flashlight, and that's what it looks like. Okay, in the dark, and it gives a really cool effect of the Martian. Well, thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe, ring the notification bell with the ringers, and have a great day.